Your Chrome browser on Android may seem fine, but without SafeSearch, inappropriate content can appear. Many people don't know this setting is off by default. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the SafeSearch filter on your Android phone. Let's get it turned on now. First, open up the Chrome app on your phone. Then tap the three dots icon in the top right corner. Next, tap Settings. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Privacy and Security. Scroll down again. Find the Save Browsing option. Tap on it. Now select the Enhanced Protection. After selecting this, go back, scroll down a little bit, then tap on Use Security As. Next, select Choose Another Provider. Then tap on the drop-down arrow. Here, select the Clean Browsing option. All done. Now you know how to turn on the SafeSearch filter in Chrome and block unwanted content on your phone. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.